How are you doing? I saw a proposal on Upwork and I've developed this very simple project just to display that we can absolutely do this work for you. So over here we have the config tab that has the different emails for the different admins. Then we have this master sheet where we can see a list of all of the different items. Then we have the inventory tab that, as you can see, has some items with their inventory. Then we have the items that have been reserved. And finally, this timestamp that will display the different actions that happened in the master sheet. So let's say that this desk lamp has arrived into one of the warehouses. What we can do is come into this menu and add items to stock. This modal is going to automatically open. If we go into this drop down, it's going to search for all of the items that we have in the master spreadsheet. We can select the desk lamp and then add, for example, 5 items in the warehouse A and add them to stock. What this is going to do, it is going to add a new row because this item was not in this list with the new stock. We can also remove items from stock. So let's say that we had 5 and instead we've got confused and they were 4. We can select the item over here dynamically and remove one item, and let's say remove from stock. So now, as you can see, we have 4 desk lamps, and we can finally reserve them for example, John, which is someone who bought them at the store, and we need to reserve them. So over here, I can select again the desk lamp over here, and let's say he's going to take 2, and his name is John. I can reserve the item. And after all of this has happened, as you can see in the reserve tab, we can see that we have this reservation. And finally, in the protocol, we can see all of the different things that happened. So first we added 5, removed 1, and reserved 2 for John. So yeah, I hope that you loved this project. We can make it really more complex if you would like. We can add different spreadsheets to be interconnected for each other. We can add dashboards to see the stock in a more visual appealing way. So yeah, whatever you would like, we can probably develop a full solution. So thank you very much, and I hope we end up working together.